Hello, it's Tuesday today, but today Parviz and I will visit a market called منڈائی.
Yes.
Let's go. Monday. Is it one of the biggest market or bazaar in Kabul?
Yes, it is the biggest one across Kabul.
It is the biggest one.
Biggest one, yeah.
Okay. And Monday is
It means the big bazaar.
Is it the Pashto word?
Yeah, Pashto words where people can buy everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Clothes, food.
Clothes. You see, these clothes is from China.
Okay.
All of them from China.
All of them are from
Yes,
China.
from China.
Okay. So this is the gateway to the bazaar.
Yeah.
But just let's go have a tour around them. Okay.
Let's go.
We went into Mandawi at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Parviz told me the bazaar is usually at its busiest at around 9 or 10 a.m. when people jostle through the narrow street like this. As we mose around these small shops, you almost forget that this is a city where bombing frequently occurs. Despite being required by law to cover their hand faces, cosmetic shops like these still tend to be a favorite among the women here.
As for these kind of things, I'm not an expert. I just can't tell which is which.
Just call it like cosmetics and makeup.
All right.
For makeup.
Okay.
Mandawi receives customers from all over Kabul's 14 districts. Parviz said most of the customers are considered middle class. I was a little surprised. If this bazaar attracts people from the middle class, how are things for the working class people here? Regardless of who shops here, one thing for sure is that you can find almost everything you need, especially food.
What are these?
Sugar gani.
Sugar gani.
Yeah, sugar
Yes.
gani. And we eating with green tea. It is a sweet.
I'm also surprised by their interest in China.
Yes.
Okay. How many children?
Suma shuman lari. Only one child.
Only one children. You're still young. You'll have more.
Yeah, well, Zwane Nur Mashuman Mulari. He said I am following the Chinese policy.
Huh?
Or he is going to follow the Chinese policy. He
The
says.
Chinese policy?
Yeah.
China has changed our policy. We allow people to have more children. Mosque is undoubtedly the most important place in the life of Afghan people. But to my opinion, the second important thing is the bazaar or Monday, where people can find almost everything they need: food, clothes, cosmetics, daily necessities. But this is obviously the biggest one in Kabul, and in the next couple of days I will try to bring you more interesting things about big bazaars, small bazaars, groceries, and the shopkeepers. Okay, Shiraji, CGTN, Central Kabul.